Hi guys, and welcome to English Language and Literature YouTube channel. Learning English can be like climbing a mountain, but if I told you that there's no one-size-fits-all way to do it, in today's video I will share few ways on how to learn English for yourself. First, traditional methods. When you hear traditional methods, you think of, or should I get a tutor, or should I enroll myself in some class? Should I go to school to learn English? This is a valid option when it comes to learning English. It's a bit, I say it's not that effective from my personal experience, but maybe if you put more effort it will be much better. Second, this is one of the most fun ways to learn English. When you take it into account, it's watching your favorite shows, reading books maybe, watching movies. Start with subtitles. You can switch to using no subtitles, and I think that is the most efficient way to learn English today. Number 3, interactive learning. So, when it comes to learning the fastest, it's probably through interactive learning. What do I mean by that? By finding groups, when you talk in English, correcting each other. Just you need practice when speaking in general. It could benefit you both ways. You can even do it online. You can find groups online that does similar kind of things, and also that is a very good way. Using apps. Start by using maybe Duolingo or even ChatGPT. You can use AI to practice conversation, especially if you have ChatGPT Pro. You can turn on call mode and talk like with real person, and then ask him for feedback, and you will get some areas you can improve on. And that's it, guys. So don't forget to check out our YouTube channel and watch some of our other videos. See you in the next one.